this video, I will show you how to change security settings on Bitget. So first of all, open up your Bitget app. And if you aren't started yet on Bitget, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus. So if you're interested, click the link down below. But anyway, let's dive into this video. So first of all, we're going to click on the profile icon at the top left from our home tab. And from here, we're going to click on the arrow at the top right. And from our security tab, we will access our security settings. So these are all of the security settings that you can change. And this can help in order to protect your account. So what is really recommended is using a passkey, a Google Authenticator, linking an email and linking a phone number. That's really nice. And to log into your app, if you have facial recognition on your device, it is also really secure to have this enabled. You can also make a PIN code and a font code, and you can access withdrawal settings, and you can see your account activity and stuff like that. You can also change your password, so you can basically access every security setting in here. So go ahead and do this regularly to protect your account the best way possible. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.